Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression, which is a square root of 16 divided by 1 over 4 then times 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. The square root of 16 gives us just 4. So 4 divided by 1 over 4 times 4. Here we can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So we have 4 divided by just 1. And this is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to handle this exponent. A square root of 16 gives us 4. So 4, and let's recopy, divided by 1 over 4 and times 4. No, we have one division and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then this multiplication. 4 divided by 1 over 4, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so according to this rule, these terms can be written as 4 times just 4 and again times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16, and 16 times 4 gives us 64. So our final answer to this problem is 64.